MeVisLab provides the powerful integrated text editor Mate. In this video, we want to show you how to use Mate to debug Python scripts in MeVisLab. We are using a very simple network of predefined modules, but you can also debug your self-written Python scripts. Add a local image module to your workspace and connect it to a DICOM tag browser module. The DICOM tag browser module shows a table containing the DICOM tags of your currently opened file. To debug our module, we need to open the Python file. Right-click the module DICOM tag browser and select Related Files, DICOM tag browser.py. The file is opened in Mate. The user interface of Mate provides some relevant views for debugging. The outline view shows a list of all functions defined in your currently open script. The project workspace view shows the content of the directories for all of your open files. In this case, we only opened one file and only see the content of the directory for the DICOM tag browser module. The debug output view shows the messages you also see in MeVisLab. Additional views are available as soon as we start debugging our file. First, we need to enable debugging. In the Mate main menu, select Debug, enable debugging. You can see some new panels appearing in Mate. The debugging panel allows you to step through your code. The stack frames panel shows your current stack trace while debugging. Another panel variables/watches/evaluate expression appears, where you can see all current local and global variables. Add your own variables to watch their current value and evaluate your own expressions. Scroll to line 180 and left-click on the line number. You can see a red dot marking a breakpoint for debugging. Whenever this line of code is executed, execution will stop here and you can evaluate your variables. This line will be reached whenever you right-click on the list in the DICOM tag browser module and select Copy Tag Name. You can now use the controls of the debugging panels to step through your code or just continue execution of your code. Whenever your execution is stopped, you can use the stack frames and the variables/watches/evaluate expression panel to see the current value of all or just watched variables. We want to see the name of the DICOM tag we selected in the DICOM tag browser module. You can access the values by entering item.text 1 in the watches panel. You can also define conditions for your breakpoints. Remove breakpoint in line 180 and set a new one in line 181. In case you only want to stop the execution of your script if a specific condition is met, right-click on your breakpoint and select Set Condition for Breakpoint. A dialog opens where you can define your condition. Enter item.text 1 == SOP class UID as condition. Now, the code execution is only stopped if you copy the tag name SOP class UID. In case another line is copied, the execution does not stop and just continues. The Evaluate Expression tab allows you to modify variables during execution. In our example, you can set the result item.text 1 to something like hello. If you now step to the next line via F10, your watched value shows hello instead of SOP class UID. For further information, please have a look at www.mevislab.de.